Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about the history of sausages. Sausages storm ahead as the number one in-home meal in the UK, way ahead of the cheese or ham sandwich. Sausages make up 1,720 meal occasions, incorporated sandwiches, sausages, sausage, stews, casserole, pork and damp, herb sausages, low-fat pork sausages, pork and damp, beef sausages, beef sausage and other sausages. Sausages are considered a basic barbecue food, together with burgers. They are almost the staples of the occasion with other products added to this basic product. Sausages chop meat, mostly beef or pork, seasoned with salt and spices, and also mixed with cereal, usually wheat rusk prepared from crumbed unleavened biscuits, and traditionally stuffed in casings of prepared animal intestine. Casings may be intestine, paraffin-treated fabric bags, or synthetic sleeves of plastic or reconstituted collagen. All but dry, cured sausages require refrigerated storage. Cooked and dry sausages are ready to eat. Fresh and frozen sausages must be cooked. Sausages of fish or poultry are also made. Dry sausage was born as a result of the discovery of new spices, which helped to enhance flavor and preserve the meat. Different countries and different cities within those countries started producing their own distinctive types of sausage, both fresh and dry. These different types of sausage were mostly influenced by the availability of ingredients as well as the climate. Some parts of the world with periods of cold climate, such as Northern Europe, were able to keep their fresh sausage without refrigeration during the cold months. They also developed a process of smoking the sausage to help preserve the meat during the warmer months. The hotter climates in the south of Europe developed dry sausage, which did not need refrigeration at all. Basically, people living in particular areas developed their own types of sausage, and that sausage became associated with the area. For example, Bologna originated in the town of Bologna in northern Italy, lion sausage from Lyons in France, and Berliner sausage from Berlin in Germany.